Imagine a world where machines not only build products but also predict failures, optimize processes, and even design products. This is no longer a distant dream but a reality thanks to artificial intelligence. But how is AI revolutionizing manufacturing? Today, the manufacturing sector is marked by constant change and relentless competition. It faces challenges such as reducing waste, increasing efficiency, and meeting the ever-evolving demands of consumers. Enter artificial intelligence. AI, with its ability to learn and adapt, is poised to transform the manufacturing landscape. AI brings the promise of predictive maintenance, where machines can anticipate and rectify faults before they occur, reducing downtime and saving costs. It also offers the potential for process optimization, enabling factories to streamline their operations and improve efficiency. And perhaps most excitingly, AI could even play a role in product design, using machine learning to create more innovative and personalized products. To better understand the impact of AI on manufacturing, let's delve into a real-life case study. Consider the story of a leading automobile manufacturer that faced a significant challenge: reducing the time and cost of producing cars while maintaining high quality. This is not a unique issue, but a universal one faced by manufacturers around the globe. But where others saw obstacles, this company saw opportunity, an opportunity to revolutionize their manufacturing process with the help of artificial intelligence. They began by implementing AI to analyze their vast troves of production data. The company was sitting on a goldmine of information. Every machine, every assembly line, every product had a story to tell. The AI sifted through this data, spotting patterns and trends that had previously gone unnoticed. It was like having a detective with the power to scrutinize every single detail, a detective that never sleeps. This deep analysis enabled the AI to predict machine failures before they even occurred. No longer did the company have to deal with unexpected breakdowns and costly repairs. Instead, they could proactively maintain their machinery, significantly reducing downtime and saving a considerable amount of money in the process. The AI also optimized their production processes. It recommended tweaks and